weeks, but now it's time. Now is the time to get back in it. And I've thought about so much, like, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? And it's kind of quite obvious what I should do. Sneeze. Quit trying to be fancy and just sneeze. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna sneeze today. I've got some Chhinkni again, and this is probably my favorite way of inducing, just the amount of sneezes it gets out. And I don't have to stick anything up my nose, which is kind of stonks. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Ooh, boy. The smell is so strong. I'm just gonna let it do its thing. Oh boy. Oh. Oh man, it's right there. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Oh man. Was that sneeze 3 already? Whew. That's I was trying to announce, but I can't. It's just so strong. Keep coming. Oh, my eyes are watering like hell. Wow. No. Sorry, guys. I got to. Wow. Holy shit. That came quick. I'm gonna try some more. I don't know how much y'all like, not exaggerated, but I wouldn't say it's exaggerated sneezes, but like aggressively letting them out. Although it was feeling better for me on this particular fit, so I'm gonna keep going with it and see what happens. That's not even what I was going for with this video. But, hey, I'm a musician. I improv. This is what's gonna happen. So, a little bit in right nostril, and the rest for the left. Oh, doing it with both is so much worse. Oh God. Oh, here I'm gonna sneeze. Oh. 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 Come on. Oh, man. It's right there. Achoo! Holy shit. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. Achoo! Achoo! Oh, fucking hell. I got one more. Achoo! I'm done. I'm done. I can't do anymore. I can't do anymore. I'm done. Thanks for watching. And if you've got any like requests or anything that particularly you guys want to see me do, please let me know. Love you all. Bye-bye.